Energy. In physics, the capacity for doing work, it may be exists in a potential, kinetic, thermal, electrical, chemical, nuclear, or other various forms. There are moreover heat and work, i.e., energy in the process for transfer from one body to another. Energy. The capacity or power to do work, such as the capacity to move an object of a given mass by the application of force. Energy can exist in variety of forms, such as electrical, and can be transformed from one form to another. Different types of generators are used to create energy. Electrical energy is caused by moving electrical charges called electrons. In power stations, turbines are turned using energy from sources such as heat, wind, and moving water. Generators are machines for converting motions energy into electricity. Energy is a capacity of a physical system to do work. The common system of energy is the uppercase letter E. There are two main forms of energy, called potential energy, sometimes symbolized U, is energy stored in a system. Energy is an essential part of our daily lives. We use energy to heat and cool our homes, schools, and businesses. Animals and people eat the plants and use the energy that was stored. Food is fuel for our bodies. Energy needs like muscles power. We also use our own bodies to make heat energy. Example of these are light energy, heat energy, mechanical energy, gravitational energy, electrical energy, sound energy, mechanical energy, nuclear or atomic energy, and so on. Kinetic energy is the energy is moving objects or mass. Example include mechanical energy, electrical energy, and more. Energy fuels your body's internal functions, repairs, builds, and maintains cells and body tissues, and support the external activities that enable you to interact with the physical world. Water, your body's most important nutrient, helps facilitate the chemical reactions that produce energy from food. How we use energy. We divide our energy use among four economic sectors: residential, commercial, transportation, and industrial. Heating and cooling our homes, lightening office building, driving cars, and moving freight, and manufacturing the products we rely on our daily lives are all functions that require energy. Energy can be neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be converted from one form or the other. Essentially, this is the law of constant in universe. So, to answer your question, energy cannot be created from nothing. Energy comes from different sources, such as oil, coal, wind, sun, water, natural gas, and even manure. Energy readily changes from one form to another. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed. In other words, the total amount of energy in the universe never changes, although it may change from one form to another. Energy never disappears, but it does change form. No matter what the interactions are, energy is never seen to exist on its own, but only as part of a system of parts, massive or massless. The one form of energy, however, that may not need a particle at all, dark energy. Pure energy is any field energy, like potential energy, any kinetic energy, like a fast-moving particle, but no mass energy, of stable or nearly stable, massive particles, which would require a process to turn into work. Einstein said, energy cannot be created or destroyed, it can only be changed from one form to another. So, how did it come about in the first place? Energy. Potential energy is stored in the covalent bonds holding atoms together in the form of molecules. This is often called chemical energy, except at the absolute zero, the coldest temperature it is possible to reach. All molecules move. Rather than burning all their energy in one large reaction, cells release the energy stored in their food molecules through a series of oxidation reactions. At the same time, electron acceptor molecules capture some of the energy lost from the food molecules during each oxidation reaction and stored it for later use. In life, the human body comprises matter and energy. That energy is both electrical impulses and signals, and chemical reactions. That chemical energy is then transformed into kinetic energy that is ultimately used to power our muscles. The human body carries out its own main functions by consuming food and turning it into usable energy. Immediate energy is supposed to the body in the form of adenosine triphosphate ATP. Since ATP is the primary source of energy for every body function, other stored energy is used to replenish ATP. In 1845, James Prescott Joule discovered the link between mechanical work and the generation of heat. These developments led to the theory of conservation of energy, formalized large by William Thomson, Lord Kelvin, as the field of thermodynamics.